welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a makeup look that is totally different from what I usually do, and that is because someone requested a grunge makeup tutorial and I was really excited to try something new. So let's get started. I already started it, so I'm done with the primer and now I'm using the foundation from Mars Zero Blend 03. I've already mentioned how much I like this foundation brush and have been using it ever since. It made blending so easy for me. I didn't have any issues with using a sponge before, but after trying this brush I got addicted. I'm not saying that just because I'm using it you should really try it. It's just a lot more convenient. Like once you start using a brush you probably won't want to go back to a sponge. At least that's how it is for me. Here I'm just color correcting my under eyes using Swiss Beauty concealer palette, and I don't usually like consistencies like this, but I just use a tiny amount so it works. For the concealer I'm using Cancel concealer from Mars in the shade 03 to conceal my under eyes and the pigmentation around my mouth. I brush through my brows while the concealer sets a little, and then I'm just gonna blend the concealer. Also, if you're wondering which lenses I'm wearing, so this is French Shine Grey from Olens. I really like Olens lenses. They are super soft, especially if you have sensitive eyes like me. It honestly doesn't even feel like you're wearing anything, which is why I love them. Okay, here I'm setting the concealer. Now for the eye look, I'm going to use this Kajal to line my eyes. I actually wanted to use Mama Earth Kajal since I really like it, but I couldn't find it. I think I've lost it somewhere, so I had to go with this one instead. You can use any Kajal to line your eyes. In grunge makeup, I think eyes are really important. The messy it is, the better. Basically, it should scream edgy, messy and rebellious look. So I'm just gonna smudge it all. Since I have hoodie eyes, I just smudged it below the hood. This is how it suits me, so I'm just smudging it below the hood only. And during this process your makeup might get a little messy. मतलब वो काजल वाला हाथ आपके फेस पे कहीं भी लगेगा तो वहाँ पे काजल लग जाएगा, so you can just conceal it. I've taken the brown eyeshadow and I'm just blending the black and brown together ताकि वो थोड़ा सा messy and smoky look दे. Also ताकि वो काजल वहीं पे set हो जाए, नहीं तो वो इधर उधर लगेगा और फिर आपका मेकअप पूरा काला काला कर देगा. I reapplied the kajal because ये वाला काजल धीरे धीरे fade हो रहा था, but it's okay, you can just reapply it. And don't forget the corners also. Here I applied the liner in such a way कि मेरी lower water line भी touch, मतलब साथ में touch हो जाए उससे. Also ये liner वाला part is optional, so if you want to you can, if you don't want to you can totally skip it, because I once tried this makeup without the liner and I actually liked it. So here what I'm doing is I'm just softening the liner using the eyeshadow brown one. Now I'm going to use the dark brown eyeshadow and blend everything together on my lower lash line and on my lids. I did my other eye off camera. For the blush, I'm going to use brown shades, but I didn't have any brown blush, so I just used my lip stain from Mars in the shade Cocoa Drip. Make sure to apply it closer to the under eye, or you can also apply it low on the cheeks. However you like, you can just experiment and see what suits you. If you have dark lips and want a bit of color underneath your lipstick, you can just stain your lips. That's what I do. It makes the difference. So for the lip liner, I'm using this liner from Swiss Beauty in the shade dark chocolate. I accidentally used too much lip liner. Like, it is a really dark brown shade, so I went a bit overboard with this and it just looked too much, so I fixed it later. For the lipstick, I'm using a nude shade and this is from Gege Bear, and I will link all the products in the description so you can check them out. I also showed this lipstick in Gege Bear haul, so you can check it out. I really like Gege Bear products, especially their lip muds. For the highlighter, I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter in the shade Diamond Glow. I'm obsessed with this one. It is not chunky at all and doesn't have those glittery particles, which I love. For warm skin tone girlies, this is really good. So I'm going to highlight my inner corners, nose bridge and the tip of my nose. For the lashes, I'm using this Gege Bear already glued lashes. These lashes are actually pretty good. They come with glue, so you can just directly apply them. But I did notice that by the second use, the glue gets a bit weak, so you will need a additional lash glue. Honestly though, I still like them because they save time, at least for the first time use. Love how they make such a huge difference. Can you see, like, my lashes look so fluffy and so good. I'm truly obsessed with these lashes. I'm thinking of trying more variants of pre-glued lashes from Gege Bear. I'm gonna apply some mascara on lower lashes. Okay, I think accessories are also very important for grunge makeup, so I've got some rings and some accessories. So I'm just going to use these silver rings to create a fake ear piercing look. You can also use these rings on your lip as a lip ring or on your nose. I also got this magnetic septum ring, and it is currently my favorite item, and putting it on makes such a huge difference. Like, this is so cool. You get to try this look without even getting pierced. If you're doing grunge makeup, I think this will really elevate the look. It actually elevates the look in any kind of makeup you do, or even if you don't do any makeup, this is gonna look so cool. I though really enjoying wearing it. Like, I couldn't stop smiling. I really like this ring. Me and my sister, we both were laughing because, like, this looks so cool and funny also. But I really want to know what you guys think. Does it suits me or it doesn't? Also, usually I don't do brows, but for this makeup I wanted some dark brows, so I just filled the empty spaces. You guys also can contour if you want. I didn't do contouring because I'm still figuring out what actually suits me when it comes to contouring. Also, again, in this video I've shown how the makeup looks without the lenses.
Now we do